Hello and welcome to our CloudEARTHi student course on innovation and entrepreneurship. I am Alexandra Baldwin from the University of Applied Sciences Burgenland, and together with my colleagues from the Arctic University of Norway, the Technical University Varna, the University of Alicante and the University of Edinburgh, I cordially welcome you to this unique course in which you have the opportunity to explore the ins and outs of entrepreneurship, connect with students and professors from different universities throughout Europe, and develop and test your ideas in a community of like-minded persons from a variety of academic and cultural backgrounds. G-Force, a startup accelerator from Slovakia, is our professional partner and is ready to support those of you who wish to develop their business idea further. But to get to this point, you have to get a basis on which to develop it. This course is organized in a 5-tier structure. First, each participating university gives you an insight in the local entrepreneur and startup scene. You will find out about clubs, organizations and public authorities that have an interest in developing the local business base and thus have an interest in dealing with new business ideas. Then you will learn about entrepreneurial basics, get a general idea what it takes and what it means to run a business and what you need to watch out for when you first familiarize yourself with doing business. Then there is a module on sustainability and circular economy. This module highlights alternative ways of doing business, gives you ideas and inspiration to leave the beaten path and explore more long-term oriented solutions for basic business topics. In the module on big data and artificial intelligence, you will learn what this technology is all about, get an idea about what coding is, and how knowing more about big data and AI can help you set up a business in the information age. Last but not least, you will go through a module on innovation. In this module, you will see what it takes to go from idea to actual innovation and how to sell your concepts to potential business partners or investors. This course is designed to inspire you to think outside the box. There will be case studies, so you get a variety of perspectives and insights in various research techniques. There will be presentations to help you synthesize knowledge and develop expertise. In hands-on labs, you will see how to manipulate and work with data and code, and debates will allow you to develop important 21st century skills such as critical thinking, communication, collaboration, and information literacy. We strongly encourage you to actively research the inputs from your colleagues who study at other universities so you can create and expand your personal and professional network. And who knows, maybe there are students who pick up and support your project or idea. Maybe you will find your best match for your concept in a place you have never thought of. So let's get with it. Let's start with a course that has an extraordinary and international approach. We are happy to be able to give this opportunity to connect, exchange ideas, and meet up. We are also looking forward to your comments and suggestions so we can continuously improve our exchange. In the name of my project partners, I wish you inspiring sessions and contacts from Bulgaria, Slovakia, Norway, the United Kingdom, Spain, and Austria. Have a great course.